Want to make your Beacons.ai page more engaging? You can easily add videos. There are two main ways: uploading directly or embedding from another platform. Uploading gives you full control, allowing you to host videos in MP4, MOV, or AVI formats up to 500 megabytes right on Beacons.ai. Embedding involves pasting a link from sites like YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, or Instagram, which automatically adds the video to your page. Both methods are super easy thanks to Beacons.ai's drag and drop interface. By the end of the video, you'll know which is best for you. To upload a video to your Beacons.ai website, start by logging in to your dashboard. This gives you access to all your site's customization options. Once logged in, go to the Media or Blocks section. This is where you'll manage all your content elements, including videos. Click on Add Video or Upload File to begin the process. Beacons.ai supports formats like MP4, MOV, and AVI. Select your video file from your device. The platform handles compression automatically to ensure fast loading times. Uploading gives you complete control over your exclusive content, including privacy settings and watermarks. For embedding videos, start by accessing the editor in your Beacons.ai dashboard. Choose the Embed option from the available blocks. This allows you to integrate external video content. Paste the URL of your video from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, or Instagram. Beacons.ai will generate the embed code automatically. Once embedded, you can adjust the video's size, aspect ratio, and playback controls to fit your site's design. Embedding is ideal for sharing publicly available videos while saving on your storage space. To ensure your videos load quickly and engage viewers, optimize them for the web. Aim for 1080p resolution to balance quality with file size. Keep videos between 2 and 5 minutes to maintain attention. Use Beacons.ai's compression tools and add captions for better accessibility.